What is an efficacy endpoint explained? Have you ever wondered how researchers determine if a new treatment actually works? One key concept in clinical trials is the efficacy endpoint. This term refers to specific, measurable outcomes that help assess whether a treatment achieves its intended goals. Understanding efficacy endpoints can help patients make informed decisions about participating in clinical trials or considering new treatments. Efficacy endpoints are carefully selected based on the condition being treated and the study's objectives. They are essential for researchers, doctors, and regulatory authorities to evaluate if a treatment is effective and safe for patients. There are three main types of efficacy endpoints to know about. First, we have primary efficacy endpoints. These are the main measures that directly address the trial's key question: does the treatment work? For instance, in cancer trials, a primary endpoint might be overall survival, which measures how long patients live after receiving treatment. In other conditions, it could focus on symptom improvement or lung function. The primary endpoint is vital because it often influences the trial's size and whether a treatment can gain approval for use. Next, we have secondary efficacy endpoints. These provide additional information about the treatment's effects beyond the primary goal. They can include measures like quality of life, the time until the disease worsens, or rates of symptom relief. Secondary endpoints help paint a fuller picture of how the treatment benefits patients and can guide future research or decisions about treatment use. Lastly, there are surrogate efficacy endpoints. Sometimes, measuring the main clinical outcome directly can take too long or be challenging. Surrogate endpoints serve as substitute measures that are expected to predict real clinical benefits. For example, in heart disease trials, lowering blood pressure might be used as a surrogate for reducing heart attacks. These endpoints must be validated to ensure they truly reflected meaningful health improvements. For patients considering clinical trials or new treatments, understanding efficacy endpoints is important. These outcomes show what the trial aims to improve. When reading about a clinical trial, knowing which endpoints are being measured can help you grasp what benefits the treatment is expected to provide and how success is defined. In essence, efficacy endpoints are the key outcomes used in clinical trials to measure whether a treatment is effective. They range from primary endpoints that focus on the main goal to secondary and surrogate endpoints that provide additional or substitute information about the treatment's impact on health and well-being.